everyone, and welcome back to another Just for Tweens Lego Club video. My name is Miss Liz, and today we are going to be making workable fidget spinners that are for you to keep. So if you registered for this program, you should have received a Lego kit. If you did not register for this program, that is more than okay. You are still more than welcome to join in on the fun. You will, of course, just have to use any Lego pieces you might have at home. So let's get started by going over what is inside our Lego kits here. So inside your bag, you'll find your contents sheet, which I like to include just so you can keep track of what pieces should be in your kit. And you also have a little reminder here that just lets you know when the video will be available and where it will be available. And inside our bag here, you will see we have a variety of Lego pieces. Luckily, this project doesn't require a lot of Lego pieces, and it is fairly simple. So let's quickly go over these different pieces I have here. So as you can see, I have two of these mini base plates. I tried to give everyone similar colors or the same colors. That way your fidget spinner will, look cohesive. So you'll have two of those mini base plates. You also will have four of these 2x6 tiles, four of those. You also have four of these 1x2 bricks. And last but not least, if anything, these are the most important, you will have two of these finger spinning pads, which obviously we will use to actually spin our fidget spinners. Okay, so let's get started. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take one of your base plates. This is going to be for the foundation of our fidget spinner. And then we're going to place all four of those 2x6 tiles on our base plates. But we want to make sure we are positioning them in opposite directions. So I placed kind of two, going vertical on opposite ends, and then the same two going horizontal on opposite ends. So you'll kind of have these L shapes that are back to back, but one will be upside down. So it'll look something like this. So you can see it kind of has the traditional fidget spinner shape. Then next you're going to take your second mini base plate and place that right on top. And this you'll have to make sure is, pressed together and it clicks together, because obviously when we're spinning it, we don't want it to fall apart. And then to kind of add some weight onto these ends to make it even easier to spin, we're going to add those 1x2 bricks on the ends there, just so we have some extra pull when we're spinning our fidget spinner. So here we have pretty much the shape of our fidget spinner. So last we have to add those spinning pads, and we're just going to add one on each side. So the one on top will be facing outwards, so you'll actually be able to see the spinning part. And then you're going to take that second spinning pad, but you're going to place it inwards. So in other words, you won't see the spinning circle on the outside, you'll just see the outer piece. So the front should look like this with the spinner showing, and then on the bottom you'll have the square part showing. And like I said, a pretty simple project. We are already complete with this one. If you would like to check out other tutorials of more complex fidget spinners, there are definitely lots out there. There should be a sheet in your kit that includes different blogs and YouTube videos you can watch if you'd like a more challenging fidget spinner. But I thought this would be a fun and simple one to start with. Hopefully you have lots of fun with your fidget spinners at home. Make sure to take some pictures of your creations and post them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you all very soon. Bye-bye.